I think some of you will notice this needs a little bit of work. I'm going to put a Wrangler Star look and finish to this thing. It definitely has a little bit of patina to it. This is called patina. That's rust. And I do need to make sure this surface is flat. I think he's just recently rebuilt one of these. This is in an excellent shape. It's a Dunlop US patent. Durable quality, it says. So, oh my. It might be a US patent, but this was made in Canada. Can you see that? Look at that. Made in Canada. Right there. Well, US patent, made in Canada. Right on. Nice piece. Next project. Out on the trail. Just going for a little ride. Pretty nice out here, actually. Old railroad track. Take a quick look around. There you go. The path leads on. It's awesome. Isn't summer great?